Hi everyone, welcome back to Harmony Content Base. In this video I'm going to show you how you can link up your UI to a data source. If you're not sure how we got here to building this UI already and how to use the Harmony platform, then check out one of the earlier videos. Today I'm going to use an open source API, but you could also just use an API from your Airtable or any other data source. So if you want to, we're building this to-do app now. So I want to have all of my tasks here coming from a data source, right? I don't want to like go over and go like checkbox, text, checkbox, text. We just want to take that from data. So I'm going to go into Harmony and look for an endpoint component, which I just drag into the tree here. And now I'm going to take my open source API from my other tab. I'm just going to copy the URL right into here. I also have to tell it what to do with it. So I want to get the information. I'm going to give it an ID so that our elements can later refer to it. My data. And I have to fill out the form always that's called data binding, because that is the name that our data will have. When we go to the data tab, it's going to turn up with this name. So my tasks. I'm just going to click fetch now. And now if we switch over to our data tab, we have my tasks in here. And when we open this up, we see all of the data that comes back from our API. So we have all of these elements, and they always come with a title, the task, and whether it's completed or not. Now I actually want to now take these names and link them up to the UI elements that we need. So I'm going to copy my name. And first of all, I'm actually going to go to the layout, because in the layout, I can go to data binding, because again, we don't want to link this up manually one by one. We're just going to tell the layout to connect to my tasks and repeat every item inside for each of the data sets that we get. So it's a lot of data sets now. And we also want the actual elements to be connected to the data, right? So we're going to copy title, and we're going to connect our text element. Again, data binding, title. Title. And also with completed. And we go over to our checkbox and we want to see binding whether it's completed. And now when we go to our data tab, we can open up the data here, and if we click this as completed, then completed becomes true, as false, and true and false, exactly. So you can see these are connected. Of course, if we want to style this a bit more differently, like our text element has a lot of, or it doesn't have margin, or padding, but we probably want some. So I'm just gonna give this 10 pixel margin, and it's just got a little bit of a nicer, bigger spacing. So this is basically how you can connect data. And in the next video, I'm also gonna show you how you can create actions in Harmony. And then you basically got all of the core elements that you need to create your page.